Hi everybody, this is my first video. Welcome to my channel. Imagine this, you are someone in your early 20s, 25, 30s. You are filled with energy, dreams, potential, but you have no clarity what to do. On one side, people tell you to do MBA, UPSC, government jobs, SSC, something, something. And on other side, you see news like AI, startups, automation, semiconductors, and whatnot, which is completely over your head, and the world is entirely changing. You wake up early in the morning, you scroll Instagram, you scroll YouTube, and you find what the influencers are buying rich cars, traveling the world, making millions. And you ask yourself one question: why am I like this? Why am I not making anything in my life? What should I do with my life? What should I do to change my career? Am I in the right career, in the right track? My friends, we are in the same boat. Don't worry. If you are on this video, stay here for one more minute and you will try to relate me. What is the vision with which I'm coming to you? For finance, also, you need money, bro. For doing anything, you need a passion, you need a guidance, you need a path to do so. Imagine yourself that you have a high range of mountain valleys in front of you, okay, and you're standing at the bottom of the mountains. From there, you cannot see the top of the mountain, but there are a lot and lot of mountains, right? You start climbing one of the mountains. You give your heart, you give your sweat, you give your everything, and you start step by step, step by step, step by step, step by step. There you face a lot of challenges, you face a lot of difficulties, and you get reward, but you don't know whether the reward is that much rewarding or not. But you start going up, and at a point you reach a point at the peak. You feel like you are the king of the world. You think you have achieved everything. The next very second you get to know that this is not the Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the other peak that is lying as just the neighbor of the hill. Like the next hill was the Mount Everest, this was not the hill. All your efforts are in vain. All your efforts are destroyed. Nobody even counts the person who even tries to climb the other hill. Only the person who have climbed the Mount Everest are making history, not even other person. ऐसा नहीं है कि those hills are not difficult to climb. They are difficult to climb. They are equally difficult, but they have no count, right? That's what you and me are together here, because we are trapped and on that wrong hill. We have to find our Mount Everest on which we should try. Not everything is made for everyone, but still, if you get to know what is made for you, you will do wonders in your life. You are also, I think, someone who is confused, pressurized, compared, but still no guidance. Sounds familiar. Like I told you, if you still remain here for 1 minute, you will try to connect with me. Like, why am I here? In India, from a childhood, you must have hearing, like, become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, CA. But here's the reality: lawyers are still stuck in the manual paperwork with the pile of paperwork, and the companies like Nvidia are designing chips which are literally flying rockets to moon, to Mars, to anything, and which is making the world fully automated. You try to imagine, like, what should I do? You just 99% of us are just average people, right? From college we did our, from when we were in school, we used to imagine, like, okay, when we are in college, we'll do a great course. Bam, we get a company, we'll struggle over there, we'll do our hard work, and we'll reach a top. If we are earning between 25 to 20, 15 to 20 lakhs salary, or maybe 25 salary, life is sorted. 1 to 2 lakhs per month is sorted. But is it sorted? No, it's not. Even if you land up, many of the people don't even land up that job, but still, if you land up, you're still stuck because you have that expenses over your head. You don't know what to do next. Then coming this layoffs and changing tech every day, then you can't even decide whether you should go for AI, whether you should go for blockchain, whether you could go for NFC, whether you should go for gaming. And then cherry on the top, you see someone, I won't take the name, but you see someone making a vlog. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog, and he shows your G Wagon. He's not even 12th pass. That's the hard reality. He's not even 12th pass, and he's roaming in around G Wagon, Fortuner. He's living the dream life which you once imagined for your own family, right? So that hit hearts. That, where am I doing wrong? Is this education that I did was all just, just a waste of time, money, energy? Where am I? Like, why should I not make vlogs? Why should I not do grow, get ready with me and stuff and dance on TikTok and get the views? But that's not what we can do, right? That's not what we can do, and that's not why we are here. We are here to actually do something which is reasonable, which is something rational, right? I hear a lot of podcasts for the people, and from that I have calibrated a lot of things. The problem of our generation is that we have so many options that we have confused where to go, where not to go. So the purpose of this channel is to make sense in this chaotic world of careers, business, and technology, to decode opportunities. You know, where should you put your energy? According to you, completely according to you. Understand. People say follow your passion, but what is your passion? We all love cars. We all love luxury, but is it a passion? We all love things to be done, but is it our passion? No. We all love drawings. We all love driving, but can we make drawing? Can we all become F1 drivers? No, we cannot, because that's not we can do. Right? We all love fashion, but can we become fashion designer? No, we cannot. So what is actually meant for you? Where should you put your energy? Where industry lies in the matter in the next 10 years? How you should combine in the talent, your brain, and your hunger for success in the right direction, so that you can also stand up and say that, okay, I have what I'm doing, I'm satisfied with it, right? You can also give your family that kind of luxury that you want to give. Everybody wants to feed their family. I'm hoping the person who is listening next to me, watching this video, must have a family whom he's working hard for, right? Single persons don't work much, but person who have the family and they take responsibility do stands for it. But don't worry, India is a very good position right now. Our parents have built a stability. Now it's our turn to take the innovation to the next step. Trust me, if you have been here, you will make it till the end. We will make it till the end. It's all about clarity, strategy, and execution. Now, what we'll do is on our channel, we'll try to break everything, break news. We'll try to break every industry. We'll try to break every political, socio-economic decisions that are taken by government. We'll try to do everything so that we can make a clarity. Like if you have a passion, now we'll also define what passion is. Right. So if you have a passion for something, right, now hop on to the trend, understand. Don't get stuck in the traditional business. Trust me, we all know that what traditional business are. For example, if you open a shop for kirana shop or a grocery shop, you will see people are struggling, but you won't have that standard of life, right? You won't be able to do it. You won't be able to compete with the online market. You won't be able to compete with this Blinkit and everything. You will be stuck over there for years and years. And by the time you realize, your life is will be over, right? You cannot just go into traditional business of trading. You just open a shop of maybe clothes, maybe shoes, maybe utensils, and you think like you'll thrive. No, you won't thrive, bro. You won't be able to make it, because over there the life is different. Over there you might see the money, but you will be stuck in something where you will cannot get out of the life. Even if you open a shop, you are stuck there for 20, 25 to 30 years, and you will never be able to come out of that, because when you are not there, you cannot operate the shop. An entrepreneur is someone who makes a business and take it to the height of autopilot, where he can transfer his attention to other things, and that current business make his own money. So we learn about it, right? How to make a business, how to use that BANIYA mind, how to use that logical answers, how with the current job perspective, how to identify what are the trends and where we can do it. We'll try to get in the guest speakers. If you are also someone who is interested in it, please comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and let's get on this journey, so that if we can get to think this, we can also decide the future of our children. We can also decide future of us, like where should we guide it. Is this profession right for me? Is UPSC right for me? Is lawyer being a lawyer right for me? Is going to AI right for me? Maybe you have something else scheme, maybe some other potential, and you're not able to recognize it and post our videos and post everything. You understand, okay, from this trend or from this government decision, this industry will be impacted. So now I will focus on this industry and make something big happen. And boom, we have a new entrepreneur in the house. And that's how we'll start this motivational journey. We'll start this career growth journey. And through strategy and through execution, we'll make this thing happen. So thank you for listening to me. Stay calm, stay happy, think like a baniya. I'll meet you in the next episode. Thank you so much.